What's good? Isn't it?
Yeah, it's all fucking super plastic up.
So the seat, press, and now you can pull it up from there. Clean, right?
Where's your battery at?
I think it might be in here or it might be in. And then like check it. Yeah, I think that might be 13 fucking cranking amps right here, baby. Huh? Okay. So we got closer. Could it be the switch?
Yeah.
Just not giving me an on. Weird. All right, we're in business. Okay, well, we don't need a starter. We got a kickstart. It's the button. It's got a bad connection. It's the button. She's a runner. So Jeremy, she runs. She runs. That's not a big issue. That's just taking that apart, a little bit of electrical cleaner. Better connection. Oh, fuck, they're dirt. We're good. We're good, bro.